Would you like to become a DevOps engineer? Are you just getting started with coding or programming, but you have no idea which way you want to go in terms of your professional life? I am aware that there are many options, which can make the decision-making process challenging at times. Have you given any thought to pursuing a career as a DevOps engineer?
There was a DevOps engineer who went by the name of Jach who lived once upon a time in the country of technology. Jach was a one-of-a-kind person who possessed a specialized combination of abilities that made him an extremely valuable asset to any organization. He was an expert in both development and operations, and he was able to successfully bridge the gap that existed between the two fields. The primary focus of Jach's work was to guarantee that the procedure for developing software ran as smoothly and effectively as was humanly possible. He collaborated extensively with the development team to ensure that their code was thoroughly tested and deployed in the appropriate manner. In addition to this, he collaborated extensively with the operations team to guarantee that the code was correctly set up and distributed to the production environment. Jach was continually thinking of new methods to make the process more efficient. He put in place automated technologies to simplify the deployment procedure and cut down on the number of errors. In addition to this, he implemented monitoring and logging systems that made it much simpler to diagnose and fix any problems that may have occurred. Jach received a request for assistance from a brand new business one day. They were having problems with their software development process, and it was difficult for them to get their code into production. Jach examined the procedure that they were using at the time and immediately recognized the issue. Both the development and operations teams were not using the appropriate tools, and they were not communicating well with one another. The moment Jach arrived, he set to work. He educated the development team on how to properly test their code and made them familiar with agile development practices. In addition to that, he instructed the operations team in the right way to deploy the code to production and taught them about the automation tools that were available. Because of Jach's hard work, the company was able to move their code into production considerably more quickly and with fewer problems than before. The company was now able to put its attention where it belonged, on providing the highest possible level of service to its clientele, thanks to the flawless collaboration between its development and operations teams. Jach's efforts did not go unnoticed, and as a result, he received job offers from a number of different businesses. However, he decided to continue working for the company that he had previously assisted, where he continued to streamline processes and ensure that the business provided the highest quality software to its clients at all times. The story of Jach serves as a reminder that anyone can be a significant addition to a company and make a meaningful impact in the lives of their customers with the proper combination of abilities and the correct mindset. This is a lesson we can all learn from. I really hope you enjoyed this story.
The software development and information technology industries have given rise to a practice known as DevOps. DevOps is a methodology that integrates and automates the work of software development, referred to as dev, and IT operations, referred to as ops, as a means of enhancing and condensing the system's development lifecycle. DevOps is implemented as a set of processes and technologies. Around $111,000 is what they bring in on an annual basis on average in the United States. Let's continue on our coding or programming journey. Investigate further into this sector of work if you believe that being a DevOps engineer might ignite your interest, in the same way that it did for Jach. Perhaps this was intended solely for you to see. If you believe that there is another option that would suit you better, don't worry, I will add some more choices in the near future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.